let's learn how to enable quiet mode on Instagram. In this video, we'll walk you through the art and science of hashtagging, empowering you to boost your content's visibility, attract a larger audience, and enhance your overall Instagram experience. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, make sure your Instagram app updated. If it's not, go on Play Store or App Store and update Instagram app. After that, open Instagram app on your device. Then go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on this 3 horizontal lines in top right corner of the screen. Next, go on first option settings and privacy. Now you are on this menu, and you need to click on notification field. Now the quiet mode is available on some region. You can download some VPN, or you can wait a couple of days the Instagram add that option. But I have another method. Just enable pause all notifications and set a time you want to turn off notifications, and that is it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.